First we apply the flux to the components. Once the flux has been applied, then we take the board and place it directly onto a preheater to eliminate any excess flux. This reduces the likelihood of the flux coming in contact with the solder, which can cause a minor explosion within the solder pot due to the acid in the flux. Then we proceed by placing the board on the slide rail guide. As you can tell, once it's placed on the slide rail, this will guide it directly over the lead solder wave. At this moment, solder is being applied to the components. One quick pass through. And at this point, all the joints are soldered.